In this video, Sammy's going to show you how you can change the engine oil on an F250.
So the drain bolt's 16 millimeter, so we're going to go on ahead and crack that. Watch out, because these tend to shoot oil out. So a lot of these near 6.7 shoot oil out, so just keep that in mind on where you place your drain pan. As you can see, it's pretty far stream. Just watching it to make sure it doesn't overflow. Oh! You see these bitches be shooting shit out. Oh, I probably shouldn't say that. So now that it's just about done draining, we're gonna move the drain pan over some. Grab the oil filter, twist that off. Be sure to let the oil just kind of drizzle off. Makes it even less messier. So you can see there's a lot of oil in it. You could also just take like a screwdriver or a punch and make a hole in the bottom to drain it. That works too. So when you're about to put the new filter on, be sure to lubricate the O-ring with clean oil. Make it nice and hand tight, and then go around and wipe up all the oil that may be on it. I'm just gonna let that finish draining, and once it's done, put the drain plug back in, fill her up. So you have that on, tighten it down, then hose everything down with brake clean. So these take about 15 quarts of 1540. So as you can see, get oil. If it's black, don't be alarmed. That's how it looks on diesels. So now we're going to start it, check for leaks.